Hello dear traders. Today is the 15th of October 2024. It's 6:33. I thought I'd do a little market update here. Some interesting developments and charts we have. By the way, I will do a separate video about the new website and all that. It's really nice and fast now, but we're going to come to that. Okay, so this one was very interesting. Where is it? Euro pound. Because it took the upper MTS and then the lower ones. So here on the 30-minute chart, you see it came down to the lower MTS and took it out nicely. And on the forward chart, you can see like it was really going against the dumb money longies there. That was beautiful. Okay, so what's going on? Today we saw euro dollar, boom, going and filling this option strike target there with conviction, then exactly turning back down, filling the order gap zone. Markets were very rangy, very sideways in the last sessions, which is unusual, meaning that soon we're going to see some movement. Bitcoin, so some shorties came in, boom, they went and took them out immediately. We have a bit of an MTS developing, but you can see they're shorties. So Bitcoin overall remains long-term bullish. Aussie, as you can see, we could see some kind of our reversals in the dollar pairs. They're going flat for now, but if more longies leave and some shorties come in, these pairs like euro dollar, pound dollar, Aussie, Kiwi could finally do a pullback up. Seems a little early right now because markets are still very flat. But you can see that we are, of course, in for our reversal territory. But more longies need to leave, more shorties need to enter for our reversal move to happen. We know the deal. Okay, so as you can see here from cable, markets were very flat for quite a few sessions here on the hour chart. These are the moments where people fall asleep in front of the screens. The algos know that. They exploit these things. Dollar cut came up a lot against those dummy shorties, took out the shorties. But if shorties leave, of course, there can be a pullback down. It feels a little bit early right now. As you can see, we need a downward kink in the squeeze curve, but then it can normalize and take some OSTs. Dollar yen took this 1 hour option strike target today. As we speak, silver's taking this MTS here in a range. Dollar yen filled the option strike target and the MTS by the pip and then did a pullback. Very beautiful move. And as you can see here, maybe market's going to stretch a bit more and then at some point start to snap in a nutshell. Okay? Alright, so euro yen came down, took those MTS. Now the shorties and has a new MTS above the price. But it's a little bit far though. Of course, they're also moving averages. But you can see that we see the start of some kind of dumb money switch. So even though the news flow is low at the moment, and even though the dumb money flow is low, I expect markets to wake up. Today is a typical slow day. We had yesterday the bank holiday. So I expect for the rest of the week markets to wake up, news flow to increase, and various movements to happen. Like for example, you know, kicking out the longies and snapping up, something like that. So keep that in mind. We have various news items coming up as well. Happy trading with the new fast website.